Hello everyone, my name is Cedric Campanel and I'm going to be solving the challenge problem that Sir gave us. So for now I'm going to be drawing a curve. I'm not good at making straight lines, so I'm just we will get the area of between two curves. So now this will be y equals to x squared, and then the opposite one will be y equals to square root of x. The main objective here is to get the area here. So what we're gonna use here is application of integration. We will now use the formula. So this is now the formula of area between two curves. A integral of a to b with an absolute value of f of x, then minus g of x dx. Then we will be just substituting our f of x, which is x squared, and then g of x, which is the square root of x. After that, in order to get the a and b, we need to find the intersection of these two terms. And then just input this x squared equals square root of x. So we need just to remove this radical sign here. We have to square this and put a close parenthesis, and after this it will become x squared equals x. It will become now x raised to 4 minus x, and then equals 0. After that, we just factor it out. So instead of making some equations, we're gonna put it here. I'm gonna place an x here, so it's gonna become x cubed here minus 1 equals 0, and then bring down here x times x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. Don't forget to put the 0 again here. Apology. I'm gonna place now the roots. It's x equals 0. Another one is x equals 1. Another one is x minus 1 is equals to 0. Once you place this, just copy here this one, x squared plus x plus 1 forgot equals 0. So we're gonna be looking for possible solutions or formulas in this equation. Right now we must solve its discriminant with the use of quadratic equation. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which is equals to 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 twice, and then we just get the discriminant, which is negative 3, which also came from the radical sign of a quadratic equation. Since it's negative, we cannot solve it inside the radical sign of a quadratic equation, so we will declare it as just like this. No solution or no further process. So now we'll be just returning to the x equals 0 and x equals 1. They will serve as the intersection of a and b. First, this is A, equals gonna be 0, 1, and then x squared minus square root of x dx. After that, just eliminate something here. Equals integral of 0 to 1 minus x squared plus square root of x dx. Once again, just finish that. You're gonna then transfer it here. Equals negative integral of 0 to 1 x squared dx plus integral of 0 to 1 again square root of x dx. We're gonna move it here. Equals negative 1/3 x raised to 3 or cube plus 2/3 and x raised to 3/2. Then adding limits 0 to 1, no longer need for 0 to be taken since it's obvious it's 0. We're gonna be focusing on 1. After that, let's just play easy. We're gonna move this negative, so it's gonna be negative 1, 3 times 1 raised to cube or 3 plus 2/3 and then times 1 again raised to 3/2. So even if you try to multiply it, it's gonna be the same outcome. It's still gonna be negative 1/3 and plus 2/3, and it's 1 times 1 times 1 like that. It's still 1. So making it, just bring down negative 1/3 here and then click a plus sign to 2/3. Just add this to negative 1/3 plus 2/3 equals to 1/3 square units. And there you go.